Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is our WPS Office and we want to uninstall it. First, if your WPS Office is open, close it or exit from the WPS Office. After that, go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In control panel, find programs and features. Click on the programs and features. In programs and feature, we find your all install program. Select the WPS Office from this list. Select WPS Office. After that, at the top, we find uninstall change. Click on uninstall change. Click on the yes. It's asked for the reason. I give the other reason. You can give any reason. Click on the uninstall. Here we find do not clear data because I want to reinstall WPS later. I want to clear data, ensure the security of private data. Okay, select that. Delete all files of the WPS Office in this installation folder. Click on clear. Uninstall process is start. It takes some time. So be patient and wait for some time. Our WPS Office is uninstalled. Close the control panel and it is also removed from the desktop and also removed from your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to uninstall WPS Office in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.